get out of bed the same time. People talk about last night.
Hello there, it's Sanu, you are again enthusiast, back again. Nice to see you all. Today I'm sharing the newest items you should look for if you're heading to IKEA now. Limited time pieces and some great deals. I'll also explain how to hang the Christmas star lights. So many new finds, let's take a look. First up, the kitchen area. I found a few things that will be handy for the year-end and New Year season. Here's a new item, a set of colorful bamboo bowls. Since they're bamboo, they're surprisingly light for their size. My first thought was to use them for popcorn, but they'd also look great on a kitchen counter holding mandarins or snacks. I thought the price was a bit high at first, but then I realized it's for a set of 2, which made sense. Tableware with this kind of color palette that isn't plastic is pretty rare, so they really pop. Care instructions are hand wash only. Next, a new storage box launched in October. This also looks great on the kitchen counter. The one on the right is stacked in 2 tiers, and you can use each tier individually. In the Swedish food market area, they displayed candies in these, and it looked adorable, like a mini shop at home. In the same category, there's also a slim little rack that's very sleek and popular. It's perfect for gathering small kitchen items in one place so the space looks tidy and organized. Now, a bit of sad news. This black metal canister has been a very popular item, but it's being discontinued and available only while supplies last. People love using it to store coffee or tea. As of November, there's still plenty in stock, but once they're gone, they're gone. An interior designer told me black, minimal accessories like these are surprisingly hard to find and super useful. Many items are being marked down as they're discontinued, so let me show you a few of them. I check IKEA websites in other countries as well, and bedding tends to get discounted pretty often. In Japan, a duvet cover I'd been eyeing went down in price. The gray piping on the edge is lovely. I've been using IKEA duvet covers for years because the fabric feels so nice on the skin. According to IKEA's site, it's 100% organic cotton, certified to a global organic textile standard. The designs aren't overly trend-driven, so you can use them for a long time. Definitely a solid value. You can also get these revised prices online. Here's my personal tip for choosing duvet covers. Don't just look at the duvet cover section. Stop by the bedroom furniture area too. You can see how they're actually styled on beds. You'll also get coordination ideas with bedspreads. This beige cover is truly charming, with a soft, fluffy texture that feels great. You can also get inspiration from the room sets, which often feature lots of new items. So I take mental notes of what I like, then I sometimes buy 6 months later when the price drops. That's usually what ends up happening. Hope IKEA doesn't mind me saying that. Moving on to lighting. A viewer shared a beautiful decorative light with a very delicate design. I also saw it recently on Soy-san's YouTube channel, and it looks insanely pretty. In the store, I thought it was just okay, but seeing it styled at home changed my mind completely. Thank you for the photo submission. The thin lines are flexible wire, so you can shape it softly as you like. It runs on 3 AA batteries. There's a built-in timer, same as usual with IKEA battery lights. It turns on at the same time every day and turns off after 6 hours. Because you can bend the wire and it has a soft, airy look, It has great visual texture. From the portable lighting section, one more piece. This diamond-shaped lamp is a table lamp that stands on its own. It's battery-powered, so it's for decoration rather than reading. Just a gentle glow. From the display, I noticed you can actually see the bulb a bit through the gaps. I'm planning a small bedroom refresh, and while I liked that lamp, my attention shifted to wall-mounted lighting. Lights growing out of the wall look stylish, and they're practical too. Let me show you a bit of this bedroom setup. The side table is Bergsnas, a very popular IKEA piece. It's solid birch with a pleasant, smooth feel, and the rounded cylindrical legs give it a friendly look. The table lamp is from the same NYMÅNE series as the wall fixture earlier. The older chrome look version used to be dimmable, but this current one isn't. It uses 3 bulbs, so depending on what you choose, it can get really bright. I used 3 bulbs at about 485 lumens each. The light shines downward and upward, so by a pillow it might be bright enough to make everyone go, "Whoa," and wake up. Though that depends on the person. This room is about 11 square meters, or around 120 square feet, so it's fairly spacious. There's also a Billy bookcase in here. Here's another room with a cozy country vibe, a home with a baby. All the dining chairs are new items. Please look at the yellow kids chair. It's a new color in the popular AGAM series, with a gentle yellow that isn't too loud. Now, let's talk about the window stars. These Christmas star lamps are classic, and I often see people wondering which parts to buy. I always want to tell them exactly what to grab, but I don't want to be that random person in the store, so I'll explain it here on YouTube. I covered how to use a stand base in a previous video, so please check that one out. Today I'll show the hanging version, quickly. Buy the STRÅLA cord set that matches the starshade name. It's a plug-in type, so it's easy to use. Also get an E12 size bulb for the US. Set the included metal bracket. Put in the bulb, open the star, and attach it. That's it. Very simple. A great point is that the star shade folds completely flat for off-season storage. When it's up, it has big impact and looks wonderful. This year I also bought the diamond-shaped version, and I love how beautifully it diffuses the light. Next, a fantastic value dining chair. The VIHALS series is very affordable, with tasteful colors, hidden hardware from the back, and slim legs for a clean silhouette. The seat height is about 48 centimeters, which is a little higher than usual, so just keep that in mind. They're also stackable, which makes them super practical. Another stool to highlight. It combines white steel with pine, which looks great. It's a very nice stool with a touch of industrial because of the wide steel surface, and it could double as a side table. The handle-like cutout on top makes it easy to lift, and this one also stacks. I'm considering a new stool to place plants on, so I looked around. I keep coming back to the KYRRE series, which has a new green color and an updated off-white. Because KYRRE has 3 legs, it looks especially sleek. Here's another new stool with a cushioned seat. The cover is removable and washable, which is always a plus for everyday use. It comes in these soft, nuanced colors, very IKEA, very easy to blend with any interior. It's lightweight and easy to move around, and you can even stack them when you're not using them. Usually with stools you end up adding a cushion separately, so having it built in from the start makes it so much more convenient. That said, I did feel the price was a bit high for a stool. IKEA has many budget options, and right next to it, the Marius stool is $9.99. Marius now has trendy new colors like orange and blue, so it's an easy pickup. By the way, Marius is currently eligible for IKEA's furniture buyback program. The buyback prices can be surprisingly good. The eligible list changes, so check the site each time. Bought back pieces are resold at IKEA, and it's nice that the furniture gets a second life. There was a new kids' room set using lots of the Savannah series. At this point, it feels like a theme park. There was a unique desk where you can turn a handle to adjust the height. It's a kids' desk, and the drawer unit is sold separately. The design is simple enough that adults could use it too. I personally use Mickey, which is a kids' desk line, but if you remove the drawer unit under the top, adults can use it just fine. This room set even had a low table, which is unusual for IKEA, but common in Japan where people sit on the floor. I thought it was fun to see. These thick cushions can be used for sitting directly on the floor, and they seem quite practical. You could also place them on a bench. The covers are not removable, so it's hand wash care. The sofa is Söderholm. The desk is Lee Lawson. You'll spot the same cushions styled elsewhere too. And it also comes in gray. There was a big plush bear half falling off a generously sized armchair, which was adorable. They had tabletop-sized trees on display. The cash pot is sold separately, and the 12-centimeter size fits well. Mini trees are easy to place on side tables or shelves, and even a few ornaments can change the vibe. In this vignette, white and gold were the main colors, and they matched the black side table beautifully. There are many new mirrors this season. Even mirrors now come in beige tones. Beige is everywhere in this season's lineup. This one was labeled Grape Beige, and it also comes in black. The frame is very simple, so it's easy to use. And there are 3 size options. When you're considering mirrors, IKEA is a strong candidate. Clean designs and reasonable prices. We have several IKEA mirrors at home, like Lindebuen and more. When shopping for mirrors, I recommend searching online first. Stores won't have every size out on the floor, so check options online, then confirm the size in person. IKEA's sleeper hit, Potpourri, just got refreshed. The colors are more vivid now, with whole colored flowers added in. The scent strength is about the same as before, soft and subtle. It's also more visually fun. Spreading it out on a shallow dish may help the fragrance carry. I'm guessing the flowers are artificial, styled together with the mix. My recommendation is the $1.99 potpourri sachet sold nearby. If you squeeze it a bit, you'll get a gentle lavender scent. I keep one by my pillow. A follower told me they tuck one inside a tissue box and it makes the tissues smell nice. Thank you for that tip. Sale season is coming. In Japan, it starts on December 4th this year. I expect the US will have sales around the same time. IKEA sales mainly focus on clearing seasonal items, so keep an eye out. Next time I'll share my recent purchases, plus more new items. Thanks so much for watching until the end. See you very soon in the next video.